It's been this dream burns inside of me, and I can't just let it go. There's still so much that I don't know. I keep my eyes wide open now. Yes, this ground unbroken.
Guys, today is a rainy, sunny day. A weird day. We're walking down to my cousin Tina.
I don't know somebody buy it here. What about them pop off or something?
Walking on the road. And as well as Casual Friday, so I'm in my Casual Friday outfit. Yeah. Hi everybody, I'm at my cousin Tina, Auntie Tina's house. So we came to visit her today. We're visiting her today. And look at my cute Casual Friday outfit. I'm wearing my checkered shirt and black ripped jeans and a white basically tank top or a white long sleeve shirt turned into a tank top. Cute that Casual Friday outfit. Cute Casual Friday outfit. And I can't wear shoes in Auntie Tina's house. It's why you're seeing my socks.
Me too. Me see my socks too.
Yeah, seeing you too.
I love that.
This is my cousin, baby cousin Kiki. Hi, Kiki. Thank you. Alright, so the lighting is going because outside is raining and the sun is shining and everything, so we're getting all natural light working it. Cousin Titi, hi! So how was your day? How was your Friday?
Fine.
Did you went to school? How was school? Fun?
Titi.
Who was that from?
Ariana's in the picture. Ariana's in the picture.
Even I was in a picture.
Mama,
Peace and love everybody. Bye.
no.
No?
Mama, ring the bell.
Yeah.
Don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going nowhere without a fight. You can be
Hi guys, today is a very cloudy day today. However, today is also Friday. It's a Saturday. On Friday it rained like cats and dogs on a Friday, so hence it's kind of not rainy today, but it's very cloudy, so I decided I want to show you my casual look that I plan to wear. However, I didn't plan to wear this top though, nor this raincoat top. This is a raincoat, by the way. I'll show you. I didn't plan to wear the raincoat or this, but I did plan to wear the bottom because like here and here. But I think while I'm at home and I'm not doing anything, I don't need to dress up. I just very simple. When I listen to music, this is what I was doing yesterday. I was basically listening to music, and so hence why I have on this. I just had to put on a raincoat just in case it rains or anything, and it just look cool for this cool October rainy weather. And yes guys, we are in October now. Yeah, so hence why it's so rainy and all that. This is my cool rainy look.
repeat after me, say. Take a sip on my secret potion. I'll make you fall in love. First spell that can't be broken. One drop should be enough. Boy, you belong to me. I got the recipe and it's called black magic.
Nothing. Windy. I don't know if you guys can hear me. But as I said, I'm going to try and answer some questions while we're here at the beach. I'm going to try to get a seat and sit down. Anyway, so we can see we're at the beach. I'm going to try my best to answer some questions in low background. Yeah. Social media and social media model. As I said earlier in this video, I've been on social media that I've worked with, and it's good to follow persons on social media that is person on a career to connect, because following them or you partaking in their photos by liking it or commenting like that helps their career become something better than before. Right? So you get to network first. Even if you have like 10,000, whatever amount of followers you have, whatever, and they're interested, they want to network. What can I give this person and stuff like that? So having social media page for modeling or entertainment aspect is very, very good. And I recommend that anybody who wants to know that entertainment to have a social media page. Alright, because it helps so much. And also try to make your social media page be a business and not just a page where you have a page. Try and put the possible limit too much family stuff, too much family drama, too much boyfriend, girlfriend drama on your page, but more keep it as a professional page. I can work with this person and you want person to work and spend time. Okay? Keep the page professional and then as possible and keep it professional. That's all I can say about social media and marketing. Alright, next up is about networking. I have my friend right there. Tell you what and why it is important to network with different persons in the industry that you want to be in. Alright, let's go. There. Hello, sir. So he's a photographer guy. He knows already because he saw the video. But he's gonna answer a question. Why is it important to network with different persons in the industry and the field that they want to be in? From a photographer point of view, what I'm trying to give you guys.
I don't know if you can hear me.
I know the wind.
Yeah.
But talk as loudly as possible. I'm talking loud. Talk as if you're deaf.
I can't talk loud. I don't know. Why is it important for networking? I don't know. To get yourself out there, basically, networking is very important to get yourself known. Whatever you do, really, it's all about networking. Any form of business is all about networking. The way you advertise your brand, and what you want people to know you for, really, is more. Yeah, it's just basically that, getting yourself out there. If you want a business to grow, you have to do a lot of network marketing. You have to go places. You have to do stuff. Yeah, you have to get yourself out there, like my dog. Yeah.
Alright, my point of view with modeling and networking. For me, as a model, you need to network. Yes, and you guys know I don't network and I'm not friendly and all that stuff like that. But I still get paid and I don't have to do a network. Well, I do 9 to 5 job. Sometimes, but not all the time, I don't promote it because you're in the modeling industry. But yeah, I don't normally do a 9 to 5 job. And I am surviving. I can buy my own food and do stuff like that. The reason why I say networking is important. This is why. Networking is to meet different people, and by meeting different people, people know that you're sociable. You can work with difference, and teamwork, as I said, is a dream work, and you need to work with others. Next, networking is important. important because you can't see your model and you have that picture from 10 years ago on your profile page and then nothing new. People want to know what you're doing. So now with other person that you know, keep your skills sharp, keep you active, let other person know that you're still out there and you're still doing your job or you're still doing what you love. Keep you more in tune with the world. So that's a big deal about networking. You try to go there, try to meet friends, try to keep your profile active, try to tell a person that's in the business field, and that's what networking is about. And people ask, okay, Stefan, will I get paid? You can ask that, but not all time networking is about pay, but it's also about sharpening your skills. You can be a model and you work with a company and they're not teaching you right. And I've experienced that. So going out there, meeting other photographers, they'll tell you how to angle your body, what shot looks good, all of that. Because even if you're in the studio and you're learning how to do this, it's still not the eye of the photographer. And as a model, you need the eye of the photographer to help guide you to look your best in photos. Alright? So that's what networking is about. Not everything is about pay, but sometimes it's better for yourself as a model to learn. To learn on site and also to learn in the studio and learn by your coach and all that, but also then to go out there. Alright? So that is why networking is important. So as much as possible, go out there, try network. That's for myself too as well because I don't always do that. But yeah, being a model, network, social media, all of that is very, very, very important. That's all I have to say on this topic. So I'm going to go dip and enjoy myself here at Port Royal Beach with some nice people that enjoy their time. Thank you guys very much. Alright, let's go swim. I hope that answered all your questions. The person that you asked me these questions, I hope that this video answers some of your questions. Alright? And I hope that you can hear not too much breeze in this video.
Barbie dream house, Barbie rings. That's Barbie beach house, Barbie Benz. Barbie white picket, Barbie fence. All tea, all shade, bitch, all offense. If you ever try to confiscate Barbie's kin, I'ma put you in the box.